The Gunner by Jack Marion Fisher. You can talk about the crew chief or the doughty bombardier or the radio operator with the educated ear. You can praise the skilled mechanic and the navigator too, or brag about the pilot till your face is set in blue. You can tell about their exploits over Rome and Dover Straits, the Solomons or New Guinea, or where they dared their fates. You can sing the praise of every man who ever wore a chute, and all those in the air crew and the hangar crew to boot. But when the going's really tough and a zero's on your tail, or a hankle's high above you and the lead comes down like hail, who's the guy you look to when your life's not worth a dime? It's the clear-eyed, tight-lipped gunner. It's the gunner every time. Sure, it's fun to be a pilot and wear those wings upon your chest, but it's fun to be a gunner too when over some cloudy nest comes a flight of hell-bent zeros with plain murder in their eyes, and a burning half-crazed purpose that's to knock you from the skies. That's when your pulse thumps madly, and you wonder what's ahead. Will you end your mission safely, or be named among the dead? Will your bomber wing back homeward, every crewman at his post, or be shot down, shattered flaming, to inspire a Jap's great boast? You can think of 1,000 things like that when your plane begins to wail, unless there's one your faith is in, the one you know won't fail. He's the one guy you look to when your life's not worth a dime. He's the clear-eyed, tight-lipped gunner. Yes, the gunner every time.
She stands in the face of evil and will not lose hope or faith. America, the land of freedom, is still the home of the brave. So raise the banner called Old Glory. Let us join our fellow man. History will write the story. America will always stand. Walking through the fires of danger, there are those who gave their lives. They're the world's greatest heroes, and we won't forget their sacrifice. So raise the banner called Old Glory. Let us join our fellow man. History will write the story. America will always stand. America is not divided. Our enemies, they will be stopped, 'cause we the people are united and still one nation under God. So raise the banner called Old Glory. Let us join our fellow man. History will write the story. America will always stand. History will write the story. always stand.
sitting in class. She might have been late for work. Point is, if anyone asked, we all know where we were when the world stopped and we all thought it couldn't get worse.
We kept going on, yeah, we kept going on.
We've risen more than once from wreck and rubble on the ground. We got our freedom forging fire, can you feel it now? We bow our heads, we hold our hearts, there ain't no breaking us. We are America, we are America. Don't matter what part you're from, don't matter what you believe, don't matter who you love, ain't that what freedom means? And if the world stops like the world stopped, you best believe, yeah. We've risen more than once and wreck and rubble on the ground. We got our freedom forging fire, can you feel it now? We bow our heads, we hold our hearts, there ain't no breaking us. We are America, we are America. Oh, we are America.
We keep going on, we keep going on, we keep going on.
We've risen more than once and wreck and rubble on the ground. We got our freedom forging fire, can you feel it now? We bow our heads, we hold our hearts, there ain't no breaking us. We are America, we are America. We've risen more than once from wreck and rubble on the ground. We got our freedom forging fire, can you feel it now? We bow our heads, we hold our hearts, there ain't no breaking us. We are America, we are America.
My dear son, it's almost June. I hope this letter catches up with you and finds you well. It's been dry, but they're calling for rain, and everything's the same old same in Johnsonville. Your stubborn old daddy ain't said too much, but I'm sure you know he sends his love. And she goes on in a letter from home. I hold it up and show my buddies like we ain't scared and our boots ain't muddy, and they all laugh like there's something funny about the way I talk when I say mama sends her best, y'all. I fold it up and put it in my shirt, pick up my gun and get back to work. And it keeps me driving on, waiting on letters from home. My dearest love, it's almost dawn. I've been lying here all night long, wondering where you might be. I saw your mama and I showed her the ring. Man on a television said something, so I couldn't sleep. But I'll be alright, I'm just missing you. And this is me kissing you. X's and O's, in a letter from home. I hold it up and show my buddies like we ain't scared and our boots ain't muddy, and they all laugh 'cause she calls me honey, but they take it hard 'cause I don't read the good part. I fold it up and put it in my shirt, pick up my gun and get back to work, and it keeps me driving on, waiting on letters from home. Dear son, I know I ain't written, I'm sitting here tonight alone in the kitchen. It occurs to me I might not have said it, so I'll say it now. Son, you make me proud. I hold it up and show my buddies like we ain't scared and our boots ain't muddy, but no one laughs 'cause there ain't nothing funny when a soldier cries, and I just wipe my eyes. I fold it up and put it in my shirt, pick up my gun and get back to work, and it keeps me driving on, waiting on letters from home.
She's been writing her name on the chalkboard in a classroom at PS14. It's just social studies, science and math, but to every single kid in her third grade class, she's a hero. He's got a badge on a billfold in his kitchen drawer. He was just out of college when he joined the force. It's his call of duty, he's just doing his job, but to all his friends and neighbors it sure means a lot. He's a hero. Yeah, a hero. Yeah, they're everyday angels, here to help us when we need them most. Names and faces we may never know. Heroes, yeah, heroes. Maybe it's a soldier on a foreign coast, a ballet teacher, or a little league coach. We've all got them, they ain't hard to see. They're the first ones to get there and the last to leave. Heroes, yeah, heroes. Yeah, they're everyday angels, here to help us when we need them most. Names and faces we may never know. Heroes, yeah, heroes.
right there when you see those boots and a uniform coming your way. Get off your cell phone and look 'em in the eye and drop that old briefcase. If you want to see what a hero looks like, this might be your chance. Before you go back home to your safe little world, y'all, don't you understand? These are the men and women that keep us living safe inside our homes. And if you took 1 minute, your head would be spinning to see the things that they know. So stop what you're doing, walk up to him, and tell him how much it means that every night you drift off to sleep. They're all across the planet, making sure you're free. Stop when you see a uniform. Don't you know who you just walked past with your headphones in today? You're all concerned with your own little world just outside the terminal gate. They're coming home from a whole nother world that we know nothing about. So the least we can give them's a standing ovation. It's time they hear us shout. These are the men and women that keep us living safe inside our homes. And if you took 1 minute, your head would be spinning to see the things that they know. So stop what you're doing, walk up to him, and tell him how much it means that every night you drift off to sleep. They're all across the planet, making sure you're free. Stop when you see a uniform. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, these are the men and women that keep us living safe inside our homes. And if you took 1 minute, your head would be spinning to see the things that they know. So stop what you're doing and walk up to him and tell him how much it means that every night you drift off to sleep. They've got it covered, protecting you and me. Stop when you see a uniform. God bless the USA.